Yeah, wow. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome if you're new. I am Julia. I'm a Buffalo-based content creator and I love making videos about lifestyle hauls, fashion, unboxings, you name it. And I'm so excited today for a Sephora haul. I just got in my $150 Sephora haul, so I'm so excited. Let's unbox everything and I will show you all of the things I got. I'm so excited. We have everything here, so let's dive into it. We have 5 different items. Okay, let's dive into our haul. For item number 1, I got the Day Fairyduster Dry Shampoo. I am so excited, and honestly, today is the perfect day for the dry shampoo to come in because my hair desperately needs some dry shampoo. So you can see I've got some good post-gym hair. Ooh, wait. I am into this. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my gosh. Do you guys see how it goes on? It goes on so nice and easy. Wait, I am floored. I'm gonna have it probably all over my, no, it's not really all over my crew neck. Wait. Firstly, my hair smells incredible. This stuff smells so good. Just the smell alone. Wow. Wait, look how well it blended. And look how much better my hair looks. Okay, well, we're starting off strong. This is a 10 out of 10 for me. I have loved using a different dry shampoo for a while, but now I'm like obsessed with this one. This is so good. Day, you absolutely crushed it with this dry shampoo. I'm so freaking impressed. This is a 10 out of 10. Highly recommend this. Okay, so now that we're done with number 1, we're off to a very strong start. Let's move on to item number 2, which is the Merit Bronze Balm. So this is the Bronze Balm. I am not actually going to use this on my skin right now, but you can see it's protected with this little plastic. Oh wait, you know what? Some of the product came off in the cap, so I will use a tiny bit, but here is what it looks like. Hold on, let me get out of the way. The camera is struggling to focus. I don't know why the camera won't focus on this, but this is the Bronze Balm. As you can see, it's a good little I've been hearing a lot of different people say that they absolutely love this product. So a tiny bit of the product was left off in the cap. So I'm just gonna put some right onto my cheek there. You honestly can't really tell because it was so little. It was such a small amount of product, but the Merit Bronze Balm is product number 2. I'm very excited to try it on, so stay tuned. I will definitely give you guys a review in an upcoming video. Next up, in a similar genre, we have a contour stick. I literally ran out of this. This is a restock for me. I went through a full stick of this. This is the Makeup by Mario. It is the Soft Sculpt Shaping Stick. I absolutely love this product so much. This is just such a good contour stick that, like, as soon as I saw myself starting to run out, that is actually what inspired me to place this entire order and try out some new things. Everything else that I'm trying except for this is new. This is a restock because this is the best. I'm obsessed with this for a few reasons. Number one, it's just a great product. Number two, there's a little blending brush on the freaking product. Let me show you the other side. Okay. And here's our stick, and my stick like stopped working. Although I will say, why do I feel like, okay. This might be like a product defect. Honestly, I'm gonna need to look into it because right now the stick is also not moving up and down. And I'm like, what is going on? Why does this feel like a literally second defective? That was partially why I needed to get another one, was because I like ran out of it, and I felt like I ran out of it very soon, if that makes sense. Like the stick is jammed and it's just not going back up. So what I will say is if this stick actually ends up jamming, I'm gonna contact the brand for sure. But I also then will definitely not be reordering, because then that's just like a weird product flaw, and that's that's like really, really annoying. So fingers crossed that this is not messed up. But I don't want to really put much on my face right now because I'm just not in the mood to be wearing makeup today. I want to let my skin breathe. But I love how this looks, love how it wears. It goes on so smooth, it blends so easily. It's really, really good quality. But again, I'm also excited to try that Merit Bronze Balm, because if this stick ends up not being super functional and the Bronze Balm ends up working similarly, I could always use that as kind of a backup for this. So this is product number 3. I got it in the medium. Let's see if the camera will focus. There we go. Got it in the medium. And okay, he got the contour stick in the medium, and that is product number 3. So let's move on to product number 4. Next up, we have the Positive Light Under Eye Brightener. I got this in the light to medium, and it is a weightless brightening liquid formula that illuminates and refreshes the under eye area. And this is by Rare Beauty. I am so excited about this, and this is gonna be the one product that I actually do try on right now because I am so amped. So amped. So we're gonna do it on camera right now. The little application, the little like silver wand. Oh, it's so nice and cooling. Oh my God, that's actually really nice. Just blending with my pinky. Blends really nicely, I will say. I really like the feel of this. Ooh, that looks really good. I should have done this first. We would have had less dark under eyes for this whole video. I really like this. This is really nice. It's like a cream formula. So it goes on really nice and smooth, which feels fantastic. Like I absolutely love the formula that this is because you can just feel how easily it glides on. And I've tried so many different under eye concealers and stuff. A lot of them I feel like end up being like chalky and kind of make my skin look a little bit cakey. Whereas this felt super nice and glowy and hydrating. Also the application stick on this, the fact that it's this little silver ball, it makes it so that you can catch the right amount of product. It's not too much product, and the silver, it's like cool. So it also helps as like a little depuffing. It's almost like a little ice cool treatment to right under your eyes, which again helps with brightening them, waking them up. I think it looks so good on. I'm really impressed with how it went on, how smooth it looks, and it did its job. It really did effectively brighten my under eyes with only 3 little dots on each side. I'm gonna go take a quick look in the mirror, but this is also a 10 out of 10. I'm so impressed with this. This and the Day dry shampoo. These are like my 2 new favorites. I'm absolutely obsessed. I'm so happy that I got these. I just looked in the mirror and my under eyes look so good. Like there's no cakiness or anything. That is absolutely my go-to new favorite under eye concealer. I'm so excited. Literally, what is it called again? Hold on. The Positive Light Under Eye Brightener is a 10 out of 10. At like 100 out of 10. I'm obsessed. Rare Beauty, this product is so freaking good. So last but not least, we have Summer Fridays in the Sweet Mint. I am so excited. I have been a big Summer Fridays fan for years, and I have wanted to try the Sweet Mint like flavor for a while. And it's just a clear lip gloss, which is really nice. Oh my God. Actually stop, I'm obsessed. Oh my God, I fear this is my new favorite. Oh my God, this is so good. This is incredible, like unbelievable. Even with my little brighten under eyes and my lip gloss, I'm feeling so much better than I did when I started this video. I feel like I look a little bit cuter, a little more put together. So, and because my hair is less oily, so this, wait, how do I hold things? Why am I so weird? This is our little $150 Sephora haul. I'm so amped about all the things I got. We're gonna cross, we're gonna cross our fingers that the Makeup by Mario contour stick is not like busted and defective. Oh my God. We're also gonna cross our fingers that we don't break all this new makeup that we just got. I need to stop trying to hold everything. Now I need to inspect that nothing happened to my poor sweet brand new Rare Beauty. This product is incredible. This is definitely my favorite in the haul. The Rare Beauty Positive Under Eye Brightener. Oh my God, it's a 7,000 out of 10. The Summer Fridays is so good, and the Day is so good. And I have a feeling that I'm gonna love the Bronze Balm by Merit. I just have to try it. And then again, Makeup by Mario, we're gonna cross our fingers. I'll keep you guys posted on whether that ends up being messed up or not. But if you made it this far, you are a real one. Thank you so much for watching. I love you, and I'll see you in the next one. Boop. Okay, we got this. So our next product, we have the Positive Light Eclarescent Contour Deva. Oh, I was reading. Okay, why am I so weird?